Hi students, welcome to Linear Functions. Today we will learn how to find the slope, y-intercept, and also write in slope-intercept form. Let's get started. See this line here? You have to look at the rise divided by the run to find the slope. The rise is up and down, run is left and right. Find 2 points that are whole numbers before we start. You can see we're counting up 1, 2, 3, 4. So our rise is 4. Let's check our run. Our run is across, so 1, 2, 3. So our slope will be 4 divided by 3 because rise over run, 4 over 3. Now, remember, look for the points that are whole numbers whenever you look for this. If not, it's going to be really hard to do if you have decimals. Here's another problem. What is the slope here? Let's take a look. So we need to find 2 points first that are whole numbers. There's 1, 0, 3. And let's try to look for another one. See, all of these are decimals. They're going to be really hard to use. So, right there, 2, 0. So we have 0, 3, and 2, 0. But does it go up this time? I think the graph goes down. So let's check how much. 1, 2, 3. Goes down by 3. And how many to the right? 1, 2. So because it goes down, the slope will be negative. So negative 3 will be your rise because it went down. And then 2 to the right, so your run is 2. Negative 3 divided by 2. So to clarify one more time, your slope is negative 3 divided by 2. And it'll be written right there in the equation. In your equation, y equals mx plus b, this is called slope-intercept form. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Let's learn how to find the y-intercept now. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, right there. So 0, 3. 0 is the x value, 3 is the y value. So your y-intercept is 3. So whenever x is 0, that y value is your y-intercept. Let's look at this graph. On the y-axis, 0, negative 2. Meaning 0 is the x value, negative 2 is the y value. So what is your y-intercept? Yep, it's negative 2. Sometimes you might also not have a graph and need to look at the table. Let's look over here. On the table, where is your y-intercept? It's wherever x is 0. The corresponding y value to when x is 0, negative 2, that is your y-intercept. You can see that it is the same thing here on the graph. Negative 2 is your y-intercept, and the table, negative 2. It's the same thing, just a different representation to help you find the y-intercept. Let's learn how to find the slope using the table as well. So look at the y values. Remember, rise or run. Rise at the y. Pick 2 numbers there. I'm going to pick 6 and 2. Take the first number, subtract the second number. 6 minus 2. What is that? 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, let's look at the run. You have to use the corresponding x. So 6 with the 6, and then the 3 with the 2, because those were the 2 numbers we chose earlier for the y. Doesn't matter which one you choose, it just has to be the matching one. So let's take the run. 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? It is 3. So originally 6 minus 2, 4, and then 6 minus 3 is 3. So our slope is 4 over 3. It is the same thing as when we were working with the graph. We counted up 4 and then over 3. So our slope is 4 over 3. Just a reminder, the slope m is 4 over 3. Y-intercept b is negative 2. And the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is 4 over 3 and b is negative 2, so we will write y equals 4 over 3x minus 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have some good practice on Desmos.